This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a circular saw with a guide. First, always prioritize safety by wearing eye protection and hearing protection. Before making any cuts, ensure your saw blade is sharp and suitable for the material you are working with. Next, accurately measure and mark your desired cut line on the workpiece. Securely clamp your material to a stable surface to prevent movement during the cut. Finally, position your guide rail precisely along the marked line, ensuring it is firmly in place. Now, let's focus on aligning your saw with the guide. First, inspect your circular saw's base plate to confirm it is parallel with the blade. Carefully place the circular saw onto the guide rail, ensuring the saw's edge rests firmly against the guide. This precise contact is crucial for straight cuts. Double-check that the blade will cut exactly on your marked line. A small test cut on scrap material can confirm your setup. This step ensures accuracy before you begin cutting your main piece. With your saw and guide aligned, it's time to make the cut. Before the blade touches the material, start the saw and allow it to reach full speed. Maintain consistent, steady pressure against the guide rail throughout the entire cut. Push the saw smoothly and at a moderate pace through the workpiece. Avoid forcing the saw, as this can lead to kickback or a rough cut. Once the cut is complete, allow the blade to stop spinning completely before removing the saw from the material. Safety is paramount when using power tools. Always wear eye protection, hearing protection, and a dust mask. Keep your hands and fingers well clear of the blade's path at all times. Never attempt to clear sawdust or adjust the guide while the saw is running. Always unplug the saw from its power source before changing blades or making any adjustments. After completing your work, clean your circular saw and guide thoroughly to ensure their longevity and optimal performance for future projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.